It's the start of a new quarter, and it's time to reorganize your Google Drive. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take any files that are not in our class folders, and we're going to move them there. So we're going to look and say experiments probably goes with science, history worksheets should be social studies, poems probably ELA, math problems should be math. And if we have something we're not sure what it is, rather than trying to go through and reorganize everything now, we'll just stick it in other. Alright, so now I've cleaned up my all my outside my folders. Then I'm going to go inside each folder, and I'm going to create a new folder called Quarter 1. Alright, then I'm going to take each of the things that are inside that ELA folder, for example, and I'm going to move into Quarter 1. So now the only thing I have inside my ELA folder is Quarter 1 folder, and everything else is blank. And I can go and repeat that for each class. Now, if I have a project or essay or something that I'm still continuing to work on, and it goes over from Quarter 1 to Quarter 2, I just simply leave it in, and I don't move to Quarter 1 because it's still ongoing. So what you should have when you're finished is nothing outside of your class folders, and inside your class folders, it should be empty except for the Quarter 1 folder or any continuing projects that you're working on.